Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 6 in chemistry, that is changes around us. Now in this chapter the topics covered are first about introduction about the changes, then types of changes. In this types of changes we will discuss about slow and fast changes, natural and man-made changes, desirable and undesirable changes, reversible and irreversible changes, physical and chemical changes. Now, next we will next we will cover the topic, that is causes of changes. In this, three types of changes are there, causes are there. First, changes due to application of force or pressure. Second, changes due to heat, light and electricity. And third, changes by mixing two or more substances. Now, changes is the law of nature. Everything changes around us. Mornings gives way to day, evenings, and then evening falls and it gets cooler and dark. Now, like that, seasons are changing, flowers are blooming. So, changes happen in our body as well as things around us are changing continuously. For example, when we keep ice in the open, it melts and changes into water. Similarly, a piece of paper when burnt changes into ashes. So we can see so many changes are taking place around us. So have you ever thought why these changes occur? Every change has a cause. For example, when we burn a candle, the candle wax melts. Here, melting of wax is a change and burning is its cause. During a change, there occurs a changes in shape, size, position, color, state and internal structure, etc. So, types of changes. The changes occurring around us can be classified into various types on the basis of their nature of change, the effects it produces, and time it takes, and so on. Some of the common classification are slow and fast changes, natural and man-made, desirable and undesirable changes, reversible and irreversible changes, and physical and chemical changes. Today we will discuss the first three changes, and the next two changes we will discuss in the next video. So first is slow and fast changes. Now, all changes do not occur at the same pace. It takes different timings to of this different changes. Like hair grows much faster than our body does. Our body takes long time to grow, but hair grows faster than our body. It takes a long time to make paper from a wood pulp. Okay, so change which takes a long time to occur are called slow changes, whereas those that take a short time to occur are called fast change. Now, examination of slow changes is germination of seed, growing of human from baby to an adult. It is very long process. Very slow changes is seen here. But burning or tearing of paper is fast change. It happens quickly. So it is a fast change. Now next, here in the picture we can see how the germination is a slow change. It takes too much of time, whereas burning of paper is very fast. So it is a fast change, and growing germination of seed is a slow change. Next, natural and man-made changes. Now, some changes occur on their own, while others are made to happen. The changes which occur on their own are called natural changes. For example, changes of day and night. It is not a man-made changes. It happens naturally. So these are natural changes, like blowing of winds, flooding of rivers, earthquake, cyclone, growing of trees in forest, changes in season. So these are all examples of natural changes. And the changes which are brought about by human activities are called artificial or man-made change, like deforestation, pollution done by humans, movement of car here and there. These are all man-made changes. So, natural and man-made changes. Here in this picture, you can see an example of earthquake and deforestation. Earthquakes is an example of natural changes, and deforestation is made by human activities. So, this is artificial or man-made change. Now, third is desirable and undesirable. Desirable. The changes that benefit humans are called desirable changes. Examples are burning of wood at the fireplace. In winter season, we are burning of wood for our comfort. So this is desirable changes. Whereas the change that causes harm to humanity are called undesirable changes, like fire at house. So this is undesirable change. So these three changes we will discuss today. In next video, we will discuss about reversible and irreversible changes and physical and chemical changes. Till then, bye.